y'all.
Hi,
Hello again. Hello. Again, if you're new, thank you for joining us. My name is Misty,
I'm Charlotte.
and she has a channel too. Blooper! She has a channel too at YouTube called Spongy Gold. Go and check her out. She's going to start doing full videos again, but she does a lot of shorts right now. So tonight we're going to make traditional hamburgers, or not just hamburgers, they're bacon hamburgers. I thought about doing cheese, but I don't think I'm going to. But they're going to be bacon hamburgers. Maybe I will do cheese. We'll see. But anyway, I'm going to be cooking on my griddle right here. And what's that we're going to be putting in the burgers, Shalaya?
Ranch dressing, seasoning.
And of course, we have to do dill. Have to. And what's that, Booger?
Slap your mama.
Slap your mama. Should I slap her? And then we're going to be doing Kinder's The Blend, which is garlic, salt, and pepper. And I'm also going to put in some minced garlic, but I don't have it over here right now. And I have a secret ingredient. Y'all, buckle up. You're going to like it. All right, so when I'm stirring it up, I use my hands because I have found that's the easiest way to get everything blended. And y'all, it already smells good. Now, if you don't like dill pickles, then omit the dill pickle juice, but that is what makes them so famous. And sometimes I even do more than a third a cup. In fact, I'm probably going to do a couple tablespoons more of dill pickle juice just for the added burst of freshness and dill. And don't forget that we did put the dill weed in as well. Now, I'm going to cook my bacon in the oven the traditional way. I was going to do this on Texas toast, but unfortunately I don't have any. So I'm just going to take artisanal bread and we're going to fry it in some butter on our griddle. And we'll do it that way. And I'll show, putting the little burgers together and everything for you guys too. I think that's pretty well blended. All right. Let me go ahead and cut this here and we will be right back. All right, y'all. I have turned my griddle on. And I have already made my burger patties. So that made 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 nice sized patties. I can feel the heat coming up off this already. And I've only got it on warm. I hope it don't pop grease. I'm worried. I got some things covered. So we're going to put it at around 275. And I'm going to prep my bacon to go in the oven because the oven's ready for the bacon. Now I'm going to take avocado oil. And y'all, please forgive me. I don't have any makeup on or anything today. I hope that's okay. All right, we're just going to spray a little bit of the avocado oil. And it's feeling really nice and warm. I could have grilled these out, but we grilled out yesterday. So I was like, well, let's just do it on the griddle. And what I like about the griddle is you can fit so many on at a time. So we're just going to go ahead and lay these little beauties on here. These are going to be so fantastic. All right, so we got all 8 of them on our griddle. Can y'all smell that? Can y'all see that beauty and hear it cooking? Oh, amazing aroma. Amazing. You do not want to skimp out on the dill pickle juice. You really do not. I tell you. All right, you guys, we are gonna take a dash of Kinder's Buttery Burger Blend and dash on. And we're just gonna press this down. And they're not smash burgers, so you don't want to flatten them like a smash burger. You're just going to let them cook, y'all. And then when we flip them over, we'll add some more of that burgery blend.
What are you doing, Mr. Pink?
Man, y'all, these look beautiful. All right, y'all, these are done. So we're going to take them right on off of here and put them on our platter. I've lowered the temperature of the heat to warm until I have my potatoes ready to go. Well, you little booger. Y'all see that? All right, and we don't want to mess with that grease at all because we're going to use it for our potatoes. Okay, y'all. I was tasting a piece of that. I guess you call it crust, and it's really good. All right, so I've turned our heat back up for our potatoes. Now, what I put into the potatoes, I did do some dill weed. I did about a tablespoon of dill weed. I did a tablespoon of minced garlic, 2 tablespoons of slap your mama, or slap your mama, no salt at all, and a little bit of avocado oil and some diced onion. So I'm going to start just putting these potatoes on here. And I've got the heat at 325. I'm going to turn it up just a little bit. And just spread them out evenly on our griddle here. God, it smells good. I hope I cut enough potatoes. I'm supposed to be low carb. Yesterday was my cheat day, so I don't really need a lot anyway. But it's 4 people. Y'all think that's enough potatoes for 4 people? I sure hope so. God, y'all, I can't even begin to tell you the aroma. I think I might do a little more dill weed on them, to be totally honest with you. Okay, y'all, our potatoes are done. I've already moved them. So what we're going to do now is we're going to take a little butter. I might be getting ahead of myself. Hold on just a minute. Okay, so let's take a slither of our butter. And I'm going to start laying the bread down before I burn myself. And I need to get some more butter. Might, could probably do it like that. Yeah, that'll work. We're just going to let that toast right here like that. Okay, y'all, I just got to tell you, if you look right there, I already bit that bad baby. This is some good stuff. It's really good. The potatoes and everything. But sadly, you know, I told y'all I was burning bacon out and trying to do everything I want. But yes, very good.